Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make super easy no glue clear slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. So a no glue clear slime is a super easy way how to make slime without glue or anything, and you make the super easy no glue clear slime recipe. It's pretty self-explanatory, but for anybody who didn't know, it's super easy to make. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of hand soap. You guys need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and optional is another type of soap. This is just to make the slime a lot thicker, just like what you've seen in the other clip. Alright, so I'm just going to get out my bowler plate. I'm going to get adding in my soap. I'll first start out with my hand soap. That looks like enough, and now I'm going to get out my other soap. I'm just mixing two of them so it turns into a super thick slime, and I'm using the Squishmallow one. And that looks like enough, and it smells so good, and let's just get mixing it up now. Look how thick it is. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this container right back on, container lid. I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take a look at it, mix it up. If it needs more soap, add more soap. If it needs more mixing, like if it looks a little bit runny, just mix it more. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the no glue slime recipe is all done. See you guys then. Alright guys, a few hours later, here's the slime. I actually went ahead and added some pink food coloring in there just because I wanted to be a little bit more colorful, and it was a light pink because of the soap right here, but add a little bit of food coloring. Ooh. Oops. Oh my god. This turned out amazing. Look at this no glue slime. Guys, I'm completely shocked right now. It's super thick, and it smells so good because of the soap, obviously. I wish the color was a little bit more like the actual bottle one, but I wanted to make it this really pretty pink for Valentine's Day, but this recipe is amazing. You guys need to try it out right now. But yeah, this no glue slime recipe was definitely a win-win for me. I really hope you guys like this recipe today. And if you liked it, please make sure to test it out. And if the comments are on, if they're not on, go check out my community page. That's where I always post whenever I upload, and where you guys can enter hashtag notification squad. Wow, that was a lot of talking. But definitely test out this recipe and go check out my community page to go check it out when I first upload videos. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, in peace, and remember, thumbs up for no glue slimes. Bye!